Creating and growing a LinkedIn group for prospects. Hey there, friends! LinkedIn offers you a varied selection of methods to connect with leads and potential clients. Apart from your professional network, there are also company pages to collect followers, instant messaging, and groups. LinkedIn groups are a great channel to encourage closer, more relevant interactions between like-minded people from the same industries, people pursuing a similar career path, and people interested in the same type of products or services. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create your own LinkedIn group and how to use it to collect and engage with more prospective customers. Getting started. Start on your LinkedIn homepage. From there, click on the Work button in the top bar menu and then click on the Groups icon. This will take you to the Groups page, from where you can discover groups you can join and create your own groups. Creating a LinkedIn group. To start creating a group, click on the Create a New Group button. Next, you're going to enter your group info into the Create Group form. Start by clicking on the photo icon to upload your group picture. Next, click on the Edit button in the Cover Image block. Then on Upload Cover Image to upload a cover image for your group. Next, enter the name of your group into the Group Name field. Now enter a description for your group into the Description field. In the Group Rules field, you can compose rules of conduct for participating members. This is optional, and we will skip it in this lesson. Now you're going to make sure that Listed is selected in the Group Discoverability section, and that the Allow Members to Invite Their Connections checkbox in the Permissions sections is ticked. Then click on the Create button. Now that you created your group, add a welcome post to introduce the group to members when they join in. For this, click on Start a Conversation in this group. Now compose your welcome message. Introduce yourself and your business. Let members know that they're free to post on the group and thank them for joining. Additionally, you can add media such as an image or video to your welcome post. When you are done composing your post, click on Post. Now you are going to send invites to start growing your group. For this, click on the Invite Connections button. Now select the contacts that you are going to invite to the group from this list, and click on the Invite button. To make invitations more engaging, send a message to the contacts whom you sent the invite. For this, click on the Messaging tab. Then click on the Compose icon. Now type the name of one of the contacts into the Type a Name field, and select the contact. Now compose a message to tell your contact that you've just sent him or her an invitation to join your new group, and then hit on Send. Do this for every member whom you have sent an invite to, and that'll be it. Bonus strategy. You can attract a lot more qualified prospects to your groups by joining and participating in groups where your audience hangs out. What you have to do is to go to the Groups page and use the search feature to discover groups where prospective leads and clients are active. Join some of these groups and become an active member to establish your presence and build your authority. Once you establish a presence, you can start connecting with other members of the group. Once you add those members to your network, you can send them invitations to join your group. This will help you grow your list of prospects.